Hi, it's Sandra, and today I'd like to talk about a cool nail polish container that you can buy, made by and called the Pottle. And if you haven't seen these are really cool. For around $20, you get the actual brush for the container. You get the little container with the lid and some blending beads. You also get an extra brush. And you get a glass mixer, which is kind of cool for mixing not only polishes, but you can also mix glitter polish. So I had first seen this online and thought it was really a neat little container and thought, well, this would be great because when I mix polish, a lot of times, I want to mix a lot so that way I can at least do a full manicure on all 10 nails. But I really have no place to put it unless I put it in something that, an old bottle or whatever I decide to use. And, trying to get nail polish into a small bottle is not easy. So this is actually something that I thought, that's pretty cool. And it's cute too. So I got that with the intention of mixing polishes or glitter. One of the things that I saw online was a person mixing glitter with clear nail polish, and this is just Sally Hansen clear nail polish and glitter. And I thought, cool, that'd be great. I can make my own glitter polish. So I was told, I went out and I bought I bought some glitter from Michael's, and it comes in a pack of 15 or whatever it is. And I came home and I put my Sally Hansen in the little Pottle, probably a half a bottle or so, and I started mixing. I decided, well, I'll mix a whole bunch of different colors of blue and purple. So I started mixing, and what I found out was I had the glitter actually bled, and it made a huge mess. And pretty soon I had lots of glitter that had no color on it, and just a mixture of colors at the bottom that into the clear nail polish. So it wasn't a great experience, and it wasn't something I would put on my nails. So I decided, well, maybe I should be using actual nail glitter. So I actually got some nail glitter, and I have this one, which I got from Sally Beauty, and this is nail and body glitter. And I have this one, this is Imagination, and this also is for nails. And then so I got those and tried those. Those two seem to work very well. So I've only had a positive outcome with the actual nail glitters. But I had bought all these craft glitters and I wanted to use, and I thought, well, what I'm going to do from now on, if I decide to use a color, I'm just going to mix it and see what happens. So I decided that for an experiment today that I would use this lemon citron, and this is, very fine powder, and I'm using this Magic Maggie, and this has got the big round glitters in it. I've got this blue, and this is called Frost Glee, and this is the very, very fine stuff. I've got this purple and blue mixture, and I've got this orange mixture, and this is real big glitters. So on my mat here, I took a couple drops of actual clear nail polish, and I mixed the glitter in it. So the two that were the actual nail polish glitter is this purple and this silver. And you can see there's no problems with those. Those came out as you would expect them. There's no bleeding in the clear nail polish. So those were good. So then I tried using this Michael's glitter. First one I tried was this one, and this is the probably medium glitters, and it was a purpley and red. It's kind of some weird colors, but it's pretty. So I mixed that with a couple drops of the clear polish. That seemed to turn out okay. It doesn't look like it bled or anything. Then I tried this blue, and this blue is actually the real fine stuff. Put that on there, put the clear nail polish on there, did the glitter. That looks good. I don't see any bleeding in that one as well. So that worked out well. Then I did this one with the huge glitter. And this is the purple, green, and blue mixture. And you can see this one. This one's actually a really good example. You can see where the clear polish was right here. And there doesn't seem to be any bleeding in this one. So then I thought, well, I'm batting 1,000. I'm doing great. So I tried to do this really big orange glitter. And this is the result of that one. And on this one, you can see where it bled. You can see that the Sally Hansen clear polish ended up turning orange. So I would say that the craft glitter does work as far as mixing with clear polish. I think you just have to try it out, each individual color. And it doesn't really matter if it's the bigger glitter or the powder glitter. That doesn't seem to matter as far as the bleeding. So my advice to you would be is if you decide to make a glitter nail polish, test it on a small swatch first. And keep in mind that the longer you keep any glitter in liquid, and I'm talking the clear nail polish, the more of a chance that it has that it's actually going to bleed. So just keep that in mind. I would go very, just not a whole lot of the clear nail polish to glitter. So I would just use enough so that you could put it on your nails and not overflood it with the liquid, with the clear nail polish. So that's my opinion on these glitters, making your own glitter polish, and an introduction to the Pottle. So let me know if in the comment section if you've had a similar experience or what your opinion on this glitter thing is. I do think that the actual nail glitter probably gives a better result, but let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to give me a thumbs up if you think this video was helpful. Thank you. Bye.